Welcome to a powerful Urmah Feline collective activation. Remembering our galactic warriorship, we are merging, creating one massive collective, becoming one being, and we are channeling Shankar, our commander of all the Urmah Starseed. The tiger, the black panther, the white lion, the pumas, the wild cat, the hybrids. It's a beautiful session. Please comment below. I'm so excited for you to experience this, and I cannot wait to see and feel your experience. Thank you so much. Bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a pink torus field in the front, creating the fractal of coherence. They are strings of energy merging, creating patterns, harmony, oneness. You can feel the energical heartbeat in front of your heart. Bring the currents in the back of your heart. In your arms, your hands, your fingers. We are moving to my octahedron temple, the four-sided crystal glass pyramid with another one under reverse. This octahedron is spinning in the ether. It is transparent, a bit of diamonds, silver, and pink energy. There's a pink and diamond flame in the center. We're creating a circle all around, holding hands with our light body. My white lion is here in the center. Welcoming you, bowing to you. He's holding a golden staff, blue gemstone technology. He's going to each and every one of you, putting this blue gemstone technology on your forehead, activating your third eye. We're looking on the left and right at each other, and we start circulating a diamond energy throughout the whole collective. Entering our left hand, moving to our heart, and giving back to our right arm, right hand to the other. We're becoming one heart, one being, one collective. My white lion starts summoning blue light codes, entering the top of the temple. He's swirling his golden staff, blue gemstone, up high in the sky. This tornado of light codes is coming to the center, activating the flame and blasting the whole temple with light. It is blasting a wave of energy on your chest, activating your heart, your throat. Unta yakinaki ate nakeina. Shu nakiita kiate ia nake. Nakiate yatiki nake ia. Aya nakiati ate ia shikia. Ayatia naki. Nakiati kiki ate i. Naiati titi ia naya. Aya naki titi ati ate. Yakititi ate ate. My white lion is going to each and every one of you, putting his hand on your shoulder, activating your Feline Starseed aspect. There's all type of Urmah Feline Starseeds in our collective. Black panthers, tigers, white lion, pumas, wild cat, hybrids, all embodying the warrior archetype, galactic warrior energy, all aspects of our soul on a mission here on earth as star seeds. We're all embodying a different gemstone in our heart. Feel it, activate it. And we're welcoming Commander Shankar A white lion, ascended master, with a bit of golden ribbons. White drow, golden ribbon. Massive spirit entering the top of the temple, shrinking down and landing right in the center, forming itself 2 times bigger than all of us, embodying pure leader. We're all bowing one knee on the floor, bowing our head with total honor for this being, total respect. We are proud of being part of this collective, being part of his leadership. He's knocking, smashing his staff on the ground, splashing golden ray on the floor, spreading to us, and we start merging with this golden thick energy, entering our feet, our hand. As we are touching the ground, it's spreading up our arms through our whole body. It's a thick, powerful, golden Christ, divine masculine energy that is taking over us. We are fully receiving, remembering this power of Christ consciousness. We are felines. We are the Urmah collective. Wanashiake uatia. Aina shiake. O nakiate ia. O shinakiati. Remember, activate your feline light language. Activate your solar plexus, moving up the heart, spreading out your throat, expressing your galactic warriorship. Oh, nakititia, shi, shi, shi. Nai, nai, takiyatina. Ai. Yana, yana, yana. We're standing up, turning to one member of our collective and shaking its hand the feline way, holding each other's forearm and putting our forehead into each other's forehead. Boa tikia, ush. Turning around to another member, honoring this member, part of the crew, part of the army, the brotherhood, the galactic warriors on a mission here on Earth. Unayetia shishiakina hatiatia. And we all start jumping. Synchronize the whole collective jumping and jumping with this sound. Building up the fire within, enlightening every cells in your body, sparking every chakras. Feel your inner fire. Feel the power. And we start hugging each other, proud of each other, excited for the next step of the mission. It is time to reunite in the physical, in the 3D. We are ready. It's time to create a massive wave of warriorship, warrior of love, reclaiming our power, reclaiming this land, this construct, owning the 3D construct, stopping the control and slavery of the mind, shifting the whole matrix towards the promised land, the new earth. Put your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. We all bow to each other. We bow to Shankar. And Shankar bow to all of us. This massive, powerful being is proud of us. It's having our back, providing so much strength and support. Aho! I see you, my brothers and sisters. Aho! Thank you for being here on Earth. Thank you for doing this activation. Please comment your experience below. Please share to your fellow starseeds. Thank you so much.